জলটা নিয়ে আয় যা।
Friends, you must have gone through the beautiful scenes of children playing in a village. What a beauty! Can you see these kind of things anywhere near where we people are living? So the so-called elite urban community. We have to travel at least one day to reach such a place from wherever you are living. Our planet has been in existence for almost 4.5 billion years, and as human beings we have been on it for almost 2.5 million years. And during the past 100 years we claim that we have progressed much faster than all other previous years put together. And in the last 50 years, what have we done? We have done one thing for sure. We have damaged it beyond all other years put together. I am not talking about big things, I am just talking about one simple thing: water. See, in earlier times, just 50 years ago, a family lived in a household was in a small property, and there was one family living there. Now it has changed. People have built up flats in small places where 3 people used to stay. Now there are about 30, 40, 50, 100, 200 people staying there. What is happening? Same land, more people staying, and all of us use plenty of water, and we are injecting that water into our perennial source, into the land where we live in. So formerly about 3 people were staying in a small place, now 30, 40, 100 people are staying. Everybody's waste is going into that land. So you bring into your flat water in pipe, and then you utilize it, use in your toilets, flush it out, and you just inject it into your perennial water source. Biggest damage what we are doing is, we think that we are using septic tanks. What is a septic tank doing? Septic tank, of course it processes, and then it sends out the slurry and the muck into the overflow goes into your drinking water source. We are getting into a larger mess. What is the solution? What can be done? The only solution is anaerobic biodigestion, eco-friendly biodigester. That is the only solution. Fortunately, we have that solution in the form of biodigester, developed by the DRDO, the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. They have researched it about 20 years ago. They have researched, and to address our soldiers fighting in the frontiers or guarding our frontiers in the Siachen area, hill stations, there in high altitudes, due to ice, the fecal matter could not be processed. So they have developed a colony of bacteria far away from Antarctica and different parts of the world, made a colony of bacteria, acclimatized those bacteria, which can live from -5 to +50 degrees centigrade, and that has been converted into a inoculum. The fecal matter the waste enters into it, and there are immobilizing matrix installed in the biodigester. So, see, the bacteria clings onto that. The moment that the fecal matter comes into it, it eats the bacteria, eats the fecal matter, it processes it, and it travels through the path. The longer the path, the much more effective it is. So, it travels through these paths, and by the time it reaches the other end, what comes out is water and biogas, methane, which you can let off into the air because it's very little. So, big digesters, definitely you will have enough methane which you can take it for cooking purpose, or maybe for lighting purpose, for generation of electricity, all that can be done. But for general domestic application, this is what comes out, methane goes and your water comes out. This water can be used for irrigation, just send it for irrigation. It has been used all over the country. It is widely being used in the railways, it is widely being used, and as a company we have done the entire Kochi metro railway stations. Entire Kochi metro railway station for the past I think 4 years, it is running on biodigesters, no problem at all. It has been done by the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. We have supplied it to DMRC. Now it has been taken over by the Kerala Metro. It is running smooth. And now we are doing biodigesters for houseboats in Dal Lake, Srinagar. Dal Lake, as we know, one of the most beautiful places in the world. This was a major problem. The water, the fecal matter going and ending up in the lake. So that is being addressed now. We are doing it, and we have done for houseboats in Kerala, and we have done for houseboats in Telangana, Andhra. We have done houseboats in West Bengal, and also in Kashi, Varanasi. So everywhere we are doing. Now the solution is being used, given for domestic application. It's very, very cost effective compared to the cost of a septic tank. In the long run, it pays back, and it is almost free, zero maintenance. You install it, the bacteria stays forever. You may have a doubt, do we have to refill it once in a year? Nothing at all, not at all. You have to, only thing is you have to keep on using it. Even if you don't use it for 4 to 5 months, there is no issue. But if you are leaving it unattended, if you are not using it for 1 year, the bacteria might starve and die. That time you have to recharge it. Recharging is not at all a costly affair. Just pay for the inoculum, you get recharge it, and it starts off again. No cleaning, no opening, no messy affair, and no contamination of your water resource. That's it. We just have one planet. We don't have an alternative. One thing we can do, let us leave the planet we got it the way we came in. We don't have to improve it. Let us keep the way we got it. At least that we should do, nothing else. Thank you so much.